S&P is up 79 handles in 3.5 days. You know what? It's been a complete smoke job to the upside here. You know, and I also want to point out, do a shout out to the guys at thedeal.com, thestreet.com, and Jill Malandrino at Options Profits. We're going to have a killer 2013. The high in the S&P came in at 1462.60 late in the day. The low came in at 1453.30 earlier. Last, we're 1460.5. We're up 6.9 handles. Total volume, 1.45 million minis and about 8,000 big S&Ps trading the pit. Not quite the action that we had yesterday here on the close. That was very interesting. MOC, we had 690 million to buy. Look, the big thing that we got to talk about here is that the markets are overextended, and what we're seeing here is we're getting a lot of little false sell-offs. People that aren't long are trying to test the market on the sell side, and then when they do that, they put in buy stops and up they go. When you have natural cash buyers in the market, which we do, that tends to hold the S&P up, and that those shorts tend to elect the offer side of a buy program that boom, boom, boom makes the futures rip to the upside. On Monday, we have no scheduled releases, and the last thing I want to say is, look, over the last 4 days or 3.5 days, they have put over $5.5 billion to work in the broader market on some of these opening and closings and balances. Generally, what that means is that the markets are going higher. I said that yesterday. I want to repeat it again. But you know what? There's also a little bit of risk here going on. The higher the market goes up without any pullbacks, eeks, at some point we will get that pullback. Now, the levels that I put out for Yahoo on Monday when they asked me to write a story was 1350 and 1385, or excuse me, 1450 and 1485. Well, we're above 1450, and I think we're on the way to 1485. See you on Monday on the opening print.